You know the delicious recipes for making lumpia or spring roll? It's found in this book, The Secrets of Cooking, by Mom Nanay Nene Teodora. Mom and Chef is the delightful book. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by JUANITA Gutierrez, and this delightful book is now at Amazon and all bookstores. All the recipes of cooking delicious food. Now, in this book, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by JUANITA Gutierrez, her loving daughter. Let us cook. Happy dining and happy cooking.